I'm about to watch Africanoboishow reaction for Giovanna eating her tampon.
Hey y'all, what's up y'all? Well, you know, I really don't do that many reaction videos anymore because I don't watch all kind of shit, y'all. People chopping off their penises, people eating boo-boo and all kind of shit. So that really ain't my thing. So I don't really like to watch all that. So I don't really do all that, y'all. And I've been getting so many requests to watch something about some bloody girl with some tampon, y'all. And you know, I really just want to do that, but you know, I'm a little tipsy, y'all, off that line. Whoop, shit. I'm so sorry, y'all. I ain't gonna punch y'all in y'all face. I'm a little tipsy out there, so y'all, you know, when I get tipsy, you know, I thought they're tripping. So we can go. Come on, what's up? This can't be as bad. I don't see people chop off their penis. I don't see people eat shit. This can't be that bad, y'all. So bring it on. What's up? And you know, I have to have me a little snack, y'all. You know, I'm always eating shit. Something I always in my mouth. So, let's go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm gonna like pull it out and like show you.
Girl, what you about to pull out? What is she doing? Why is her pants coming down? What y'all got me watching? I ain't got time to be watching no pornos, y'all. You got little titties. You got a little coconut. Oh my God, I cannot eat this. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Now why did y'all see the put the bloody tampon in my pussy, y'all? Oh my God.
Water here.
Oh my God. Oh, y'all nasty. Now this shit is nasty. Now you is nasty. God, you is nasty. Y'all, she done pulled the tampon up out her coochie, y'all. Oh my God, she done pulled the nasty ass, bloody ass tampon up out her coochie. Oh, I can't. This is just nasty. This is nasty. Now, while I don't want to watch this. This is just nasty. Now, why is she putting out music? What is she about to do? What are you doing with a bloody tampon and music playing, girl? What's she about to do, twirling around? This is nasty. Oh, this is nasty. That's my sound, though.
I wish I could space to there's not something wrong with you.
You a nasty hoe. Oh, you a nasty hoe. You really nasty. Looking like Princess Fiona. Nasty ass hoe. Now why she sit up here sipping? What is he about to do? Girl, throw this shit away. Throw it in the trash. You is nasty. Oh my God, she's nasty. Playing around with a bloody ass ever. You girl, move that away from your mouth. Move it. What is she doing about her mouth, girl? She is flipping her bloody ass tampon, y'all. She can't have her inside. Her bloody tampon.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, she done put the bloody tampon in her mouth, y'all. Oh my God! Oh, she nasty! You a nasty bitch! Oh, you a nasty hoe! Oh my God, y'all! She don't. Oh, y'all nasty for making me watch it. Get it out your mouth. Get it out. Get it out your mouth. Nasty hoe. Oh, she's nasty. This is enough. This is enough. This is enough. This is enough. I'm not gonna sit up here and watch somebody suck on that bloody ass tampon. This shit is nasty. Oh my God, y'all. This is it. This is it. I can't, y'all. This is this.
What the hell?